Over here, we're emphasizing cosine and sine as an ordered pair. Let's start off with pi, which is 180 degrees. Divide by 3, divide by 3. This becomes 60, so you want to remember pi by 3 as 60 degrees. Let's place it on the circle. So 60 on the unit circle is up here, okay? And over here, 2 60s is 2 pi by 3s, 2 60s. And then 3 is going to be pi. 4 60s, okay, 6 4s are 240. And then 5 times 60 is 300, okay, notice 60 degrees and 60. Now, if I add every point, if I add 2 pi to it, I'm really adding 6 pi by 3s. So 6 and 1 makes 7. Add 6 makes 8, okay. Add 6 makes 10. Add 6 makes 11. And this is 12 pi by 3, which is right back to the circle. Okay, now let's go down to the equilateral triangle to talk about the ordered pairs. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Drop a perpendicular, which is 90. This is now an altitude. It's also a median, so it bisects the base, and it also bisects the vertical angle. Okay, so this is a 60, and that is a 30. But I'm going to leave the 30 out. Let me get rid of this over here. Okay, and we're going to talk about the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the legs, okay? 4 is equal to x squared plus 1. Transpose the 1. 3 is x squared. Line up my equal signs, easy to follow. So the length of x is the root of 3. Let's go back over here. So 1, 2, and the root of 3. So right triangle, 60 degrees, adjacent is next to the angle, and this is the hypotenuse. That's cosine. Opposite over the hypotenuse is the sine of the angle. So let's go down here. Okay, so the cosine of 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse, and the cosine of pi by 3 is the same thing. The sine of 60 is the root of 3 over 2, and the sine of pi by 3 is the root of 3 over 2. Let's go to the circle. Okay, this is a nice place you want to remember the circle, cos and sine. So, see, this is 60, cos of 60 is 1/2. Sine is root of 3 over 2. Cos of 120, 6 times 2, 120, negative, and the sine is root of 3 over 2. We can run around a circle to do the same thing. Go back to the circle at the top. Remember where pi by 3 is. We're 2 pi by 3, 4, 5. And you can rotate it as many times as you want. Practice, and you might remember what's going on. Remember, we're talking about cos and sine as an ordered pair, and it's the 1/2 and the root of 3 over 2. Thank you.